Hey guys, have you ever come across a situation where you're working in Excel and you're working through loads of rows? Now, if you have a look, I've got about 100 rows here of data, and you end up wanting to fill out row after row, and then all of a sudden you want to know what the heading was for one of these columns. So, for example, what is column L, what is column O, and you have to scroll all the way back up again just to see what that heading was, and then scroll all the way back down again. So there is an easy way to do this, where you can actually fix the top row and make it so that it remains there, and you can keep on scrolling, but the top row will just stay static. So what we need to do is we need to go to View, then if you look over here, it says Freeze Panes. You click on this, and then all you need to do is just click on Freeze Top Row. There we go. Now, if you scroll down, you'll notice that the headings are fixed, and now you can easily enter your information depending on what is required. If you want to get rid of this, you just click on Freeze Panes again, and you click Unfreeze Panes, and it will revert back to how it was. This is extremely useful if you're working through hundreds or thousands of lines and you want to know what the top row heading is. Hope this video has been useful. If you have any comments or queries, please leave them in the comment section below. Please leave us a like. Please subscribe for more tech-related content. Thank you for watching.